Before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know that I am doing a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers for a one-time mentorship where I will be going through with you how to trade from the very beginning of the process to the end, hopefully getting you to the highest level of trading that I possibly can. If you are interested, make sure you drop a comment down below, literally saying anything. Just drop a comment and your name will be entered in the raffle that will be shown in the upcoming videos when we hit 100 subscribers. So I'm just letting you guys know now so you have a chance to win and possibly have a chance to win and get your name in the raffle twice if you stay for today's video and tomorrow's video. Anyways, let's get into this video. What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video on the Currency Academy YouTube page. Today I have a very quick Australian dollar versus New Zealand dollar short analysis for you. Today we're going to be looking at what we currently see for price action. So I posted this analysis, and in the description I wrote, we see price below the 200 exponential moving average and the 50 exponential moving average. We see a 4-hour bearish engulfing candle off of the key retracement zone headed for our negative 61.8% extension level. The extension level is also where we will see possible support. Now, if we look at our actual chart and we zoom in, I'm going to show you why we think what we think. So for starters, we have the 200 exponential moving average on a higher time frame, the 4-hour time frame, telling us that. So where do we see this going right now? We see downwards. If we could draw on a trend line, anybody could tell you that the trend right now is going down. Okay, so for starters, we're looking for sell positions. So in every trend, every downward trend, you want to look for the retracement. You want to look for where it pulls back up to before it continues in the trend's direction. Now, in this case, right, we want to look at the most previous swing high point, which is right here circled, right? Because ready, we saw this was a previous swing high, and then this was a swing low. Swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, right? So we have the actual swing high right here of a period of consolidation, right? And then we're able to identify this as the swing low because we see a bullish engulfing candle, which then proves that this level holds itself. So unless, because normally what happens when you see a bullish engulfing candle at the bottom of this, it'll tend to not bounce off of it again. So you could put a horizontal ray after you see that, and then usually it'll just come up, do some type of retracement. But we're looking for price when it bounces off of this 0% level to come up somewhere in our golden zone in between 78.6 and 61.8%. And then, as you can see, we see a clear bearish engulfing candle right here, which is in our key zone, and it's off the moving averages. So now we are looking towards the downside. Now, a more conservative first take profit would be here. And then personally, my take profit is actually going to be more at this level because I want to try and take away 125 pips, and I'm risking 40 pips. So for any of you wondering, we're going to put our stop loss directly above that. And the reason why my take profit is down here is because, as you can see, if we look to the left and we look right here, we could see that price started to bounce off down here in this area where I'm circling. But we're not down there yet. Now, we did see price bounce off of here as well. Okay, but since we have the continuation of the downtrend here with the candlesticks are telling us what's going to happen. We're going to continue with the trend and we're going to sell down. Also, if you guys didn't check it out, make sure you check out this live trade that I took today. Today was a really big day for the US dollar. There was the NFP release of news, and it was the essentially employment change for the United States dollar, and it caused a lot of movement in the market. I shorted the US dollar against most pairs. I bought gold, and as you can see, we're 15 minutes into the video here. This is just a quick little snippet, but you could see this massive candlestick here. It was a really big trade. It was actually, today I've so far closed $650 worth of trades in one day, so it's been pretty good. I hope you guys enjoy this short analysis. I hope you understand why I'm short on the Australian dollar versus the New Zealand dollar. It's really simple. I'm trying to keep my analysis as simple as possible for you guys to understand. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Remember, first take profit here, second take profit here, stop loss just above here. And I would recommend, use your lot size appropriately. You got this. Have a great day. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I am out.